Hey, welcome back. We already saw how to use if-else statements to check for a single condition. What if we have to check for multiple conditions and run different code for each of these conditions? Let's say I want to grade a student based on their marks. If a student scores more than 90, they get a A. If they score more than 80, they get B. And more than 70, it's a C. Clear? To do this, we use the Elif statement. Using the Elif keyword, the code for it will look something like this. So if grade greater than 90, print A. Elif grade greater than 80, print B. Elif grade greater than 70, print C. And this will output C. What Elif basically means is, if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. So let's say we are checking this for grade 75. 75 greater than 90 is false. Next, 75 greater than 80 is also false. So the next condition, 75 greater than 70 is true, and the program will print C. Now let's say we use multiple if statements instead of Elif. Imagine my input is 100. Now pause the video and try to think about what the output of this code will be. Alright, if your answer was A, B and C, then you're right. Congratulations. In this code, the first condition is true, so it prints A. Now the second condition is also true, so it prints B. The third condition is also true and it prints C as well. So let's see how multiple if statements are different from Elif statements. Now, in Elif statement, a condition is checked only when all the previous conditions are false. Okay? Once a condition is true, no more conditions are checked. All the following conditions are ignored. Whereas in multiple if statements, every condition is checked one by one. They are independent of each other.